In English.
In English, should I explain?
Yeah, English.
So now we are in the last step of the process of the image, of the photo for Shmuel. We have already done the positive black and white with the transparent images which showing up on the panoramic picture is the city of Zurich, panoramic of the city of Zurich. And this is a black and white image on black and white paper. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another creation of atmosphere, movement, to give the picture another character of it. It could be more dramatic or with movement. You know, everybody can see it in his own eyes. So this process I will do in white light, much easier, and with two different chemicals. One is bleach, where I work on the image, and after washing it, I going with sepia tone, and so the images which disappeared, the part which disappeared, will come back in a brown tone.
How you did the photo? With the camera oscura?
Yes, the photo I did with my car, my van, which is outside, used as a camera. I was parking on the bridge over the river in the middle of the city, and during 3 minutes time of exposure,
3 minutes.
3 minutes time of exposure, I exposed the photo paper, which was inside the car in this format, 3.5 meters, to the light. The light which come inside the car through a little pinhole, yeah, of 2 millimeters approximately.
When?
Oh, this was done already in 2013. Yeah, some years ago. Meantime, Shmuel was looking for some information to add to the picture, like transparencies, which present the Dada movement, you know. And now last month, when he came, we finally finished to do the positive.
Okay. This is bleach.
Potassium bromide. It's on the table there. Potassium ferricyanide, potassium bromide. No, but it's in German.
Yeah. And what does the bleach do?
The bleach is like a cleaner bleach, you know. He eats the black. He eats the black and the dark colors.
Yeah.
So they disappear, you know.
And then with the
then I work with the other sepia, and it will come back, but not in black, in brown.
And then they come back with in black.
In brown.
In brown.
Yeah, you will see, you will see. You know, in photography, every process you do, with every time you use different shimmy, in between you have to wash. Otherwise the shimmy is getting mixed with each other and you mix the shimmy. Yeah. This is not shimmy. Combien pour que... Okay, now I finish with the bleach, the first chemical. Part of the image disappear. Yeah, the blacks, the gray. And now I will start with the second chemical, the sepia tone, which is sulfur, sodium sulfur. My idea in developing my work is not to develop it in a classical way, in traits, because then all the surfaces develop equal in the same time, in the same way. My idea of developing my work is by using different objects, like this one, yeah, so I can manipulate the way I'm developing my picture, and I give it a movement and a texture which does not actually exist in the image. Okay? So.
It smells.
Yeah.
Chemicals.
Mira la Mona Lisa. You know the Mona Lisa? ¿Tú conozco? La Mona Lisa está aquí, mira. Pero con una línea. Mira.
Pues sí, va saliendo. Alicia,
mano
mira,
y la
va
cabeza.
apareciendo.
Now I change the chemical I take. And do is I add some water to make it a little bit weak.
It's weaker now because of the water.
Huh?
It's weaker now.
Yeah. Well, no, I'm trying to look at it. Will be lots of water.
What are you doing?
Wash.
That's water.
Yeah, I have to do it this way. So all the marks stay exactly. Because if I go with a little water, you know, just with the sponge, then the clear parts, the yellow parts, will become brown as well. So I have to put really lots of water in order to dissolve completely the product, so it will not influence the light areas, you know, the yellow parts.
We know it's chemistry, but it seems magic, you know?
Well, it's the magic is the how to say, the mix. When you take the chemistry with the human mind and the human work, I mean hands, then you create magic.
Yeah.
Just the chemical itself cannot make magic.
This is it.
Sure we like it. Yeah.
Now it has to dry.
No. 2 days more work.
Doing
Washing,
what?
Washing. The chemical just what do is a help that the other chemical will go out quicker. You understand? The other chemical which I use tomorrow make the cellula bigger, you know? So the product can go easier out. And then I have to wash it 2 hours in water, in running water. So I have to pass 8 vases like this, 4 and another 4. Each one 20 minutes. And I have 5-6 pictures, so I will work until Thursday. Thursday I finish. Now I have to put it in water and then in fixer.
Yes, sir.
And then a short wash for today and tomorrow in this other chemical. That's why, you know, art photography, it's expensive. You know, people say, well, it costs 2,000 euros, it's just a piece of paper, which costs 50 bucks, you know? But they don't imagine how much work you put inside, and time.
Yeah.
And experience, of course, we talk about many years of experience, you know?
Of course. It happens in the art.
What?
In arts. In arts, it happens. People think it's easy. It's easy.
And quickly, very carefully and good, and change the water. So it's clean, you know, because otherwise, if the chemicals stay inside the paper, in several years, the image will disappear. Because the chemical inside the paper will eat the emulsion, the photo emulsion, you know? And the image slowly, with the time, will disappear. And that's what we see sometimes in old photographs from the 19th century. They are almost clear or transparent, so we hardly can see the image. You know? If you don't see, quiere mirar, tú puedes ir sobre esta piedra aquí, mira. Entonces tú estás más alto. Aquí 5 minutos y salir. Entonces coge el tiempo.
That's the fixture.
Fíjalo.
Aquí pone fix.
Sí, sí, pero yo mix es agua ahora y la fixer está aquí. Sí, verdad. No fácil, es 3 metros 50 largo de foto. Es no fácil, limpia con agua. Mira, esto bien siempre. Continuar con el movimiento dentro del producto, el agua, y está limpio. Okay. Yeah, now I leave it in water. And I will take this out just a second. Because when you have an idea, you know, an idea you have to develop. And to develop, you have to pass kind of an experience, you know, to arrive to the final idea or the final image, what you want to do. You know, it's always take a long time. You know, it's not made like and film, you know.